morning everyone, Holly here from Parks Industries, and we are just finishing up an install today, and I wanted to show you a few things on the install that we've had some questions about. The first thing we'll show is where we do tie into on the lines here, and I'm going to zoom in here. Go a little further now and we'll show you actually where the evap box, and on this one we actually installed a 2000 watt inverter. That is our evap box right there. We'll walk around the truck here. This is our unit installed. Alright guys, we will follow up on this one once the unit is complete, and I'll get some good pictures for you also. Any questions on this, let me know. I would love to answer any questions you have. Thank you so much.